everybody, and welcome to Unboxing with Scott. Today we are going to review this hair dryer. Let's open it up and let's see all the features that it has. It has a very sleek design, so it's easy to take along with you if you do a lot of traveling. It won't take up a lot of room in your home. Let's go ahead and plug it in and let me show you all the different settings it has. It also has this attachment as well. That way, if you want to blow your hair in a certain style, that it's easy to blow it that way. Or you can take off this piece and use it this way. Let's plug it in and let's see how it works. The green and the blue and the red, and it has the high. Woo! And it has the low. Really, really nice. And I love it that it's so compact.